On this episode of Tales from a Whiteboard, we're scribbling about mental health in the workplace. Why? Employees have been leaving by the masses in what's being called the Great Resignation, leaving many business owners wondering how to retain their talent. Here's what you can do. Get your employees involved. Open communication can help you understand their problems. Pay fairly. Even when it's not about the money, yeah, it kind of is. And give your team something to work towards. Meeting goals is rewarding. Now, what about self-care? Limiting screen time can help you connect with the real world. Unplugging could be the recharge you need. Take control of your time and set proper boundaries. Here's how you can keep a healthy work-life balance. Stick to office hours so you can make time for life. Separate your workspace from your personal space to help you mentally disconnect when you're not working. Finally, make time for what you love. Looking forward to something can boost your mood. So be sure to drop that something on your calendar. When your workplace culture is built with mental health in mind, productivity will be the ultimate result.